So greetings my friend, you are welcome in my channel which is named Tech2Towards. So in this video we are going to configure a virtual machine on VirtualBox product. So if you have already installed VirtualBox on your system, so it's fine. Otherwise you can download the exe or dmg or .dev file from the official VirtualBox website. So I have already installed on my system and I'm using Windows system. So I have already installed. So just I'm clicking on my VirtualBox application, and after that we are going to we are going to create a machine. Then I will click on next new button. So here I will write the my virtual machine name. So I'm selecting Ubuntu. So I will write the Ubuntu image name, you Ubuntu 20 LTS. So the second option is machine folder. Here my image will be stored and the type of operating system is Linux and version of the operating system is Ubuntu 64. Click on next, and so in this pop-up, in this window we have to select our we have to select memory size according to our image and our according to our requirement. So I am selecting 1.1.5 gigabytes, which is number 1536 MB. So click on next. Here it will ask you about the hard disk. So just I'm selecting middle one option, which is create a virtual hard disk now. Then click on create, and here is type hard disk file type. So I'm choosing virtual hard disk. So I will again choose middle one option and then click on next button. Storage on physical hard disk. So I'm choosing dynamic allocated. Then click on next. File location size. So it's asking about the storage amount, like your uh, virtual machine hard disk storage amount. So just I'm selecting Ubuntu. I have selected Ubuntu. So Ubuntu I will give 20 GB. It's enough for one machine. So just click on create, and finally we have configured our virtual machine settings. And now I will click on start button. Here it will ask about the operating system image. So just it's getting, yeah. So select your hard disk. Please select your virtual optical disk file or physical optical drive containing a disk, or to select your virtual machine from. So just I'm clicking on my file manager. Oh, here I will first of all I will add the image, and I'm selecting Ubuntu 20, which is stored in my which I have already installed on my machine. So just I'm selecting and clicking on open button, and then I will choose and click on the choose button. So it's selected, and then click on start button. So now virtual machine is booting my operating system. Just expanding, yeah. So it will take some time. So it will take some time to be um, complete in bootable process. So finally it's coming on installation process. So I will create install Ubuntu and select I will select the keyboard layout as English US and then click on continue button and then okay, so I will click continue again. So installation type I will click on install but now install button, and if you continue the changes, yes, okay, continue. I will select the location which is India and then write the computer name if Ubuntu and then write the password. Again I have uh, it's, again I have to write the password and then click on continue button. So it's starting, so it's installing the operating system, so it will take some time to be completed. So just I'm pausing the video and when it will come on the next window then I will start again. Mm, so finally virtual machine is installed, so just click on restart now button and remove the installation media and then press enter. And here we can see that our our VM resolution window is showing too much short, so we can increase it by the must click on machine and then view full screen mode and then click on switch. Okay, so just click on Ubuntu and write the password which we have created earlier and I'm accessing this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so it's installed and this is welcome page. Next and click. Okay, done. Okay, so click on setting and click on appearance. Icon is sort and display. Click on display and resolution is select and then apply. It will show you in the full window and you can just set according to your requirement, like I'm selecting 106 1600 into 1200. Okay, I think it's already is enough and